First of all, I'm gonna use some essence oil. Usually those essence oil is very aromatic, so to help the channel open. Then I'm gonna add some massage oil. Let's see, today I'm gonna demo his low back. There's many technique we can help him. But today I'm gonna help him with massage and Moxa together. One on my hand, I massage down. Now I can feel there's some uneven or nodules on my left hand fingers. Now while I'm doing this, at the beginning, I want the patient start to feel warm. So normally when you start do this, you want to let the patient feel warm, and you want the heat to penetrate deep. So you kind of rush or kind of hurry up, like put it very close, try to let the heat penetrate in. That's natural thoughts. But what I want to share with you guys is, it's not necessary. You don't want the heat. You don't want the only heat to treat him. You want to use the heat to build a kind of qi flow. So it doesn't matter. It's okay, if the patient don't feel too much heat at the beginning. You just guide the body, guide the heat, guide the energy flow. Then by doing that, the body will turn hot by itself. At the beginning, in my practice, I would try to let the patient feel warm, but later I realized the heat is not important. It's the airflow. The qi flow. And also when you do this, you are going to connect with the patient. How you connect with the patient is you look at the body up and down. That means he's breathing, right? Some people breathe deep, so you go deep, you go slow. Some people breathe fast, so you might want to follow the patient's breath. Let's say, would you breathe a little bit fast? Yeah. You see, you look at his rhythm. Because when he breathes short, his qi goes like a. Can you breathe deep? Like a deep breath. Continue breathe deep. See, your masturbation treatment is actually connected with his qi breath. The reason we want to match your treatment with his breathing is how he breathes, how his energy flow goes. If someone breathes short, the qi goes. If someone goes slow, So you wanna guide the patient. So sometimes the patient maybe breathes not that deep, but with your guiding, the patient will start to breathe calm and deep. So you want to follow the qi flow. So you use the heat to, like a gate, open the body, penetrate the remedies, intentions, energies into it. Not only use the heat, you use the heat to let the patient sense the heat and guide the energy flow, because what he sense gonna be what's his mind process. If we put it in here, his mind notice it's heat in here. If we move down like this, his mind realize that you are doing fast. If we're doing slow, and his body, his breathing, his energy flow will follow you. So you have to concentrate. You have to concentrate your patient. Okay. Now the other skill, let's say if I do this, you see I'm making circles. The reason I'm making circles is it helps me better to push the qi goals. If I do this, it's good. You can do that. But if you do circle, the qi goes by better. Why is that? Because everything in the universe is doing spiral. Like DNA is spiral, waves, and if everything is like a tornado, So when you do this, you actually close to the nature of the qi flow. Of course, you can do this. That's fine, but do this, you can connect the qi, you can guide the qi better. Now, which direction should I go? Sometimes I will automatically, without my intentional to adjust my circle. Sometimes I will do like this. All of a sudden, I myself will do this. Now follow what you do. Because there's no standard. There's no law to say you have to circle this way. So do this way. Sometimes you feel you want to do this way. That could be the sense that you feel you need to change.